I fuck them hoe asses intently while clips empty on the bitches scene. Come gripping swings inside hell's luster scene cunningly up with king. I'm running these fucking geeks up in hell's cove like what's been well in need. Rupturing spleens, knees and bits, freaks is why angels named judge and king. I'm a shower scenes on the cowardly like I be one overpowering. No, you're drowning, needed pounded he like I ground the hooded streets. Y'all denying could it be hooded me as simplicity seen as dissing on these. I'm gripping Nina's teaming with gangsters, anger, jaw rape, savior please. Grave your ass is tragic while I wrap this plastic up in heat flexing me. Purposely getting surface freed is why I'm purposing my final touch surfacing. I pull the curtains clean. I'm one shopping me in a blocking scene. Got me mafia seas and blocking the seas is what's happening. Dog hating me, I don't think so. I drape these like a Drake show B. They lowly drown underground, boiling by royal king, spoiling his royalties. Obviously made out of loyalty. I tell all these, run away that toy with me. Wish you didn't diss this kid's sick, but sorry your time's not borrowing. So sorry, seen wallowing in the shallow king prophecy seen logically. God's indeed this rapper clean, blessedly like destiny chose as the referee who's wrestling his fate, still acting fake like a mistaken fucking dream. Bitch making up his steam is he's trying to dismantle all over chosen fucking king. Run sick freaks, mobsters drop your asses up in heat like God's judging these. His drum and beat God's fucking sheet after sheet with darkest fucking ink. Sharks is coming eat those up who's about to get crocodile teared mean. Got me glittering, sicker scene, mind blistering alive untied like it's a mystery. If your king get need and spleen, meet me up in the hottest steam. Hell shopping he's forever chored as a hoard out slave, raped unjustly, fucked up the freaks once covering me up in queen. Need be servicing, hurting these and burning beaches, earning me my tortures blistering. Mistress, please, I'ma knock your sister's dream and get her cream. She can come with me if she bad, I'll baby up as her chosen daddy. Gladly smacking these bitches unseen is me king heavenly abiding ruggedly. Judge indeed isn't these flocking all over me, y'all know you're forever beef. I said I'ma burn your freaks, hurting these in a purpose seen as freely. Keeping my modesty minded, godly is trying to drop in disguise discreetly unseen. Bitch, try this king, sing up these rhyme and sizzling what's drizzled clean. Scribbling all over the haters and the saviors while I fucking played your team. Majoring as laboring freaks is mobbish king, watching these angels labeling me. Hardest mind barking like a shark in time with teeth out your heartbeat. Who's got hard knees charting on me and who is really displeased? Silly as these hoe ass bitch made slaves purposely hurting his fuck destiny. I recklessly track the scene, blessing these soldiers never out of line mobbishly. Blocking he will got a beats, I'm a sizzle, brains blistering up indeed. Fucking these up in the sun like subsidy was what the fuck was in need. Busting hell, six swelling reamed out as the prophecy that the Bible leads. Traveling with mobbish kings is vitally seen and rivaling me isn't free. Psycho is me, Michael the angel and king, and I'm still able to spit free. Rip these gun clips, fucking up bitches, hitting switches like he's catalytic servicing. Heard him kings, burn a freak, I'm earning that girl of my dreams. Fucked up a little bit, god damn it. Mafia! God be one, dropping rhymes all the time, man. I'm fucked in the mind, mob. Let's get him to body grind alive.